What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful day out here in Eastern Oregon. I'm out visiting the family for a few days. Gonna be going with my mom today and checking out a few new cars. She's looking to buy a new SUV or crossover here soon, so it should be fun. Well, before we head over to look at the new cars, I figured I'd give you guys a look around my boneyard, per se. It's all my non-running projects currently. So first we got my Rabbit, my Toyota Supra, my 69 Beetle, my 70 Auto Stake Beetle, my 92 Corrado, and my 79 Porsche 924. Yeah, I know it looks bad. I'm trying to find a place where I'm living now to get a big enough garage to work on all of them. I've been a bad owner. Alright guys, we made it here. We made it to Lescavar, Mitsubishi. Doing some car shopping with my mom. Hopefully we'll find what we want. Got a few SUVs to look at, but manual options are very limited. So this is the one she picked out. 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. MSRP 22,370. It's a manual. 2019. And we're getting it for great price, if I say so myself.